tell me about the Pro plan.
Based on the provided context, the Pro plan costs $25 a month and offers unlimited storage, advanced analytics, and priority support.
We're going to build a voice and text-based chatbot today. The voice API that we will use is a browser's speech API, which is free, so you don't need to pay for any tokens. This project is more than just a single application. It is a step-by-step journey that demonstrates evolution of a simple chatbot into a sophisticated AI agent. Each lab introduces a new critical concept, building upon the last. Let's walk through the evolution. Lab 1, the foundation, a simple text chatbot. First lab lays the groundwork for everything that follows. It establishes the core client-server architecture. It has got a front end, which is served via the static Nginx web server. And we have a widget.html, which is acting as a placeholder web page. And in this web page, we are embedding our chatbot. Clicking on it, it opens the chat interface. And here, whatever we type, it will just echo back so that we test the client and server interaction. The front end works with JavaScript and the backend is Python. And the key takeaway is this establishes basic front-end backend communication that all future labs will rely on. If you quickly look at the lab 1 code, we have the main.py, which has got a simple agent response, which just echoes back whatever we say. That is it. So this chat endpoint is what is calling the agent response. That is it. We are not going into the details of it. The code is given in the description. Very simple echo chatbot. Let's cd into lab 2. Docker compose up, build. So let's refresh the page. So this is the lab 2 interface. It looks similar, right? There is no visible difference. But if you click on the chat system, do you see this? Do you see this? That is the audio input. It can speak, it can understand what we speak, and it can also speak back. Let me click on it. I am Sri.
I couldn't find specific info in my database, but you asked. I am Sri.
See, it's echoing back, saying that it couldn't find anything about it. What is 2 plus 2?
I couldn't find specific info in my database, but you asked. What is 2 plus 2?
See this? So that is the audio input and it is speaking back. So this works using browser's web speech API. Speech to text. When the user clicks the microphone, the browser listens, transcribes their speech into text, and send that to the backend. And it also has text to speech. If the message was initiated by voice, the front end uses the API to speak the backend's text response aloud. And backend is similar, but slightly modified to recognize a voice mode flag from the front end, but its core logic remains a simple echo. The key takeaway is this demonstrates how to create a multi-modal text and voice user interface using standard browser API. So if you see the folder,